What's good YouTube? In today's video, you're going to learn the best technical analysis that you can get on YouTube. You're going to learn strategies, you're going to learn how to read the charts, market structure, and you're going to learn how to use these indicators. If you're new to binary options or new to trading as a whole, this video and many videos over on my channel will be perfect for you, where I teach how to make money the easiest way possible. Even third graders can learn how to trade and make money every day. So stay tuned, watch this full video so you don't miss any of this key information, because I am going to be going over things kind of fast. It's a lot to go over and we're going to do it in under 8 minutes. So stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Alright guys, so let's get right down to business. And as you can see, this is Pocket Option, one of the best brokers out for binary options. They do have fast, easy withdrawals. You can get your money in just a couple of hours, guys, or even a couple of minutes, and you can withdraw up to $100,000 a day in Bitcoin or whatever cryptocurrency that you choose. But some simple rundowns right here, guys, is this will be the currency pairs that you are going to be dealing with for Forex currency. And guys, if you wanted to trade stocks, you could trade stocks as well. As you see, Intel, American Express, and all of that. They have commodities, but these commodities are never really over 80% payout. And they do have cryptocurrencies, and they are starting to get more cryptocurrencies on here, because back when I first started trading, they really only had these four right here. So I like to trade on the currencies because these charts are just a little bit more easy to trade on than stocks. The stocks ones will literally like just keep doing random stuff, but these kind of stay true to what market structure should do. So let's go to Euro USD. And as you can see, we're on a downtrend, but we are on a 10 seconds. So another thing that you guys want to know is the candlestick time frame. So when you are trading on just trading period, you know, Forex, binary, you want to go ahead and pick out what time for binary, you want to pick out what time you want to trade on. So if you want to trade for 1 minute trades, you know what I'm saying, you want to start at the highest candlestick time frame on the chart. So you want to go to the 5, see what it's doing on the 5 minute, and then you can see that we're on a little pullback from this. Actually, we're on a downtrend, but you see a pullback, and then we're coming back to be on this downtrend, indicating that we're gonna keep going down. And also you can see the stochastic is going down, and all of these indicators are just headed down. So that means that for the next couple minutes, you know, we might be going down. And the 2 minute as well, just straight red candles, as you can see, strong down movement. But let's say you wanted to place a 10-second trade, right, or 15 seconds, and you wanted to, you know, look at it on the 30-second chart or whatever. So we see that we're going down, but just good example right here. Let's say boom, you think it's gonna go down for 15 seconds, and you know, it probably could go up, because sometimes there is strong downwards movement or strong upwards movement, and the chart can still, you know, just quickly go the other way. But in this case, we won that trade. We stayed to go with the trend, and one reason that we did go with the trend, as you can see, we're on a 15 seconds right here, and on this last green candle, we already had our resistance, kind of, you know what I'm saying, we kind of already had our support. So once that support came in, it's gonna continue to go back with the trend. As you can see, it did right here, support, and then boom, some more resistance, and then we kind of had a green candle right here, not really, but boom, more resistance. So that's how you could tell if you could keep going with the trend. You just always want to get the chart at its highest point, and that's going to be a key thing when you're trading. And that's pretty much, you don't never want to place a trade unless you're at the highest point or the lowest point. So what I mean by the highest point is if you're trying to place a downwards trade, if you're trying to place the lower position, you want to say you want to trade up in here, you know what I'm saying, you would wait until this fades out, you would wait until, you know, it gets to the market, the zone that it is in. And right now, let's just go ahead, I'm gonna show you how to find these zones. So what you want to do is run a 30-second. You can just go to the 1 minute. Really, you could do this with all of these time frames and just find your zones. But what you want to do is you want to take a horizontal line, and then you want to put it where the candles touch. So as you can see, we have some candle touches right there, and if we scroll over, you can see that we have more candle touches right here, indicating that this is a zone. And then if we go to like the the 5 minute, guys, you can obviously see that this is a zone. We have all these candle touches down here, and boom, this pullback just went to this zone right here. So if you wanted to know what another zone that this chart could go to, you would just want to go to a different candlestick time frame up here, and then you would go find the next place where all of the candles was starting to touch. So we kind of have some movement. Oh my gosh, but we have movement like right here. So if this chart kept going up, this might have been the next zone, or really right here. Oh my gosh, bro, I hate how like this tool won't let you gotta get it from the corner, and then it pops this up so you can't see. But really, this is the next zone right here, because this is where the wicks was touching, and these are wicks. The lines on the body are called wicks, and this can tell you, you know, how the next candle can move as well. So what one indicating candle that's very important to know is the doji candle. So this is kind of a good example of a doji. The wicks could be longer, but as you can see, the body is short, and then we have long wicks, meaning that the chart went up, then it went down, and then it kind of settled in the middle. But that means that it's going to be a reversal coming. So if you see a doji candle like this right here, it's a long wick at the bottom, meaning that the chart tried to go down, but then at the end or whatever happened, it went all the way back up, indicating that it's going to be a reversal. So then we started going up. So that's how you find your zones, guys. You could do this like on all of these time frames really, and just have your chart totally marked up, and you won't miss any zones, and you can know exactly where the chart is going to go. But as I was saying, back to the highest and lowest point. Once this comes down right here, you're trying to get on a down position, you want to wait until this pulls up and gets to this highest point. So you know, maybe because you see all of this down movement, and then boom, you see 2 green candles, you might think this is the way to go. Boom, 15-second trade for the down position. Well, you got to think, man, you know, it could be another green candle for one, and two, 15 seconds might not be the best time frame to trade on. But as you can see, we're just going straight down. So for right here, if you wanted to place 15 seconds or 30 seconds, you would just, we already kind of had some green right here. As you can see, that green candle try to just pop up, but I would look at my stochastic to see how low, just how low we are on this trend before we do start going up. And another thing, guys, if you want to know how this Vortex strategy works, if you want to know how to read this indicator, I swear to God, guys, you can get a 90% win rate if you pay attention to this indicator and follow all the steps correctly. And if you want to know how to use this strategy to make, you know, 90% profit, win every single time, pretty much, you could literally win every single time unless you make a stupid mistake. But the video is right here, man. I'm dropping the video right here, and you can check that out, man. And yeah, learn how to trade and win 90% of the time. But also another thing that I want to show you guys is that you could set favorites. So all of these currency pairs up here are favorites, and the way you do this, you would just press these stars in the corner, and this is how you boost your trade amount right here. And you can also boost this to the percentage. Now, one big tip I have to tell you guys, for all my new traders out there, you have to pay attention when you're trading on this percentage, because check me out right here. Professional traders say you should always trade 5% of your account, or really less than that, but 5%. So 5% of my account right now, I have $10,000, is $500. Now let's just watch this. I'm gonna trade on a 5-second just so I can show you guys an example, because 5 seconds is very risky. But just so I can show you guys an example, we're gonna go for the down position. I might win this actually because it's going down. So let's just wait until we lose one, and let's just see how many I could win before we actually lose one. So we're gonna just keep, we're just gonna see how far. All right, so looks like this is gonna be the loss right here. Yeah, so that's the loss right there, guys. So as you can see, we have won you know, $471 and then $493 because of the fact that we are trading at 5%, and each time we win a trade, our amount is going to go up a little bit because we're trading with a little bit more money, because our account has a little bit more money. But it's vice versa. Same thing with losing a trade, guys. When you lose a trade and you're trading 5% of your account, the more money you have, the more money you're going to lose. So let's say right here, let's say this trade right here, I actually won it. So I won $4.95. It goes up $2 every time. Let's say I won $4.95. So now I have you know, the next trade I would be trading, you know, I would have the opportunity to make even $2 more, but instead I lost. So I lost an additional $2 because of the fact that I'm trading with more money. 5% is greater than what 5% was a while ago, and so now I just lost more money than what 5% was 3 trades ago. So make sure you pay attention to that, guys. I really don't suggest trading on that because you can get caught up into that. You know what I'm saying? You could win 2 trades and then your third trade you lose it, and now you just lost, you know, $10 extra instead of, you know, all right, you want to trade, boom, put this to 4%. You want another trade, put it to 4.5% or something like that. But me, I just always keep it on the set dollar amount, and you can trade as low as $1 on here, guys. If you like this video, man, don't forget to hit that like button, show your love, because I am giving you this banger knowledge for the absolute freaky. But yes, guys, I do have another trading channel. I am starting this channel up, as you can see, 7 months ago, so a bit inconsistent, but we are about to get back on this grind, and I am going to start taking this channel seriously because, guys, we do have Black Investors Group over here where we do make investing easy, and I'm going to start focusing more on online business, the trucking business, and also how to build your credit more. So I'm going to start putting all these trading videos, well, not all of these, you can watch these on my channel, you know what I'm saying, the one you're watching right now, but for the new trading videos that's about to come out, it's gonna be over on Lotta Trading, guys. So make sure y'all subscribe to Lotta Trading. And as well, guys, like I said, we make the money the easy way. In my videos, I like to give out gems, I like to give out extra. So for all of my entrepreneurs out there that needs startup funds, even if you're trying to trade, start your LLC, and then you can go over here to Atomic Grants and start getting some grants, guys. You can start getting these easy money grants. They do have 2024 opportunities coming up, but yeah, that is what I wanted to tell you, man. So before we go, is that if you come here and press this hourglass right here, you can actually trade kind of like Forex, you know what I'm saying? So this right here is, which one is this? This is trade by the time. So this is when you want to set your time frame for 1 minute, whatever time you want to go ahead and trade on, and then you have your open time. So right now it's set for 3:49, and yes, guys, we are trading at 3:49 a.m. Grind don't stop. So make sure you hit that like button, show your support, because I'm getting this content out here for y'all, man. But let's say we want to trade in 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we know this chart is gonna go up. So because you see this zigzag motion, you say it's gonna go down in 5 more minutes. All right, I know it's gonna go up in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, you would place the time for whatever 5 minutes is from now, and then you would place that you want to put a 1 minute trade. And then we have trade by the asset price, which is kind of how Forex works and how a lot of traders trade. Is they would just see that the price is going. So right now, price is at 110, and let's say I know that price is probably, let's just say I know it's gonna go back up to 111. So I'll put at 111. I want to place a trade for 1 minute, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, 1 minute is the minimum on here. I guess you can't do the seconds, but you know, I would place a trade for the lower at 111, because I know that once it hits this zone right here, once it hits these candlesticks at this high wick, most of the times, guys, it'll hit that high wick right there, but once it hits that zone, I know it's gonna come back down. So then I'll just, you know, trade it by the asset price. And that is it for this video. A little longer than 8 minutes, but you know, I tried. Like I said, I always fill my videos up with information, valuable information, and I get extra. So all I ask in return is a like button, man, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. But my name's King Lotta, man. We out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in a dream.